Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Sweese brand, their porcelain salad pasta bowls. They're a generous 30-ounce size. You can see there's a set of 6. These are unique. They're safe for dishwasher, microwave, your regular oven, and freezer. They're beautiful hand-painted swirls. We're going to show close-ups. And they're assorted colors, and I picked the gradient blue. So this 30-ounce capacity is suitable for pasta, dessert, ice cream, rice, beans, anything. And it is shallow, so you can even use it if you wanted to serve your pet with it, because it is shallow. It's only 1.8 inches deep. It has an outer diameter of 8.3 inches, and they're just beautifully done, and they're minimalistic and modern style. I love the swirls in them. They're all hand painted. They look really great. They're totally stackable. They don't take up a lot of space. We're going to show that in your cupboard. Easy to clean, and this is a really high quality premium lead-free ceramic, chip resistant. It's more sturdy than normal stoneware. Let's take a look at each one here so you see the colors. This one is a cream color by itself, no swirls. They're all just beautiful. I want to point out also that it's a really thick, high quality glaze on here, I noticed. And you can see how thick the glaze is there with the name. And it's even glazed all the way down to this edge here, and the edge is very smooth. So that when you put them on top of each other, they don't scratch. And that's important. Also notice it has this little nice hand painted brown on there, which looks really nice. And the company does provide extended warranty. You get a full year warranty. They talk about that, and you can register to get that warranty on there. And there's all kinds of information. And if you were to have a problem and you receive them cracked, contact them, and you can get new ones sent to you for free. So here's just an example. Here's cereal for breakfast, and holds a nice amount of cereal and looks really attractive while you're eating it. And here I am microwaving some soup. And here it is piping hot, and soup's about nice and hot, 102 degrees. If I go to the side of the bowl, it's only 83 degrees. So this is one of those kind of bowls that is microwave safe and doesn't just heat up the bowl, heats up the food. And here's a homemade pasta primavera. You can see it steaming, it just came out of the stove. And it looks really delicious, and we're using the slightly darker blue color swirled bowl. Looks really nice. So here they are in our cabinet, and you can see they stack nicely, and you can see the space above them, so they don't take up a lot of space, which is great. So what do I think about the Sweese brand? Their porcelain salad pasta bowls, this 30-ounce size set of 6 in the beautiful gradient blue. This is an excellent product, as I demonstrated. They're beautiful, durable, and they're going to last you for years. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. When you order this product, please use that link to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.